Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so you can see the expansion of these bands a little bit. They were getting a little tight on the daily chart. I talked about that in the room. Sorry for no webcast yesterday. I had some technical issues with the program that I use to record these things, but it's all good now. We are on potentially an upper band ride. You see us engage with the upper band here. And here, the one thing I want to check while I have you guys here, it's just dawned on me. I need to check the daily in the front month. Yep, we're in a band ride there too. So we're in a band ride. It is what it is. So we hop on the hourly, and this is a continuation chart as well. And you can see the compression that had been going on really honestly. If you look at it relatively speaking since Monday, it's 3 to 4 days of compression. We got the China news and they took it up, they took it back a little bit, confirmed hourly mid-band as support, took it up again, gapped it up on the news that the bill was approved by the president, then flat through Globex. We've wound it back a little bit here. You're seeing some counter headlines. So this is not my favorite kind of tape because, number one, we're in blue sky. Technically, you've got a band ride going on. It's great to trade. We did 39 handles yesterday, but it is so news-focused. There were some really ridiculous moves yesterday based upon the news. You're talking about 20 handle chunks and this, that, or the other. So it's very treacherous to trade. It's very dangerous tape. We saw some news this morning that dropped it down to 65.75. They promptly took it back up to 78.79. My preference in that situation, unless I'm short for the move, which I was not, I was flat, is to go ahead and wait for a lower high and then short that against a resistance area and see if it's going to head down. I mean, I was looking at the hourly mid-band as potential resistance. That may still end up being resistance, and the trade may end up working out to the short side. But the way they are holding everybody's feet to the fire as they move this stuff up makes it pretty hard to hold. Because for us, with 5-handle disaster stops in place, which we'll always have. I mean, ask anybody that got caught on the wrong side of any of those news moves yesterday. The one in the morning, I think I hopped some stops, but even if it did, it's going to get you out, with a 5-handle disaster stop, maybe 8 or 9. You're not going to take a 17. You're not going to take an 18. And you have to do that. You have to do that because that's a number you can recover from. What you don't want to do is add and add and add. So the other thing about yesterday, those of you that have followed us forever, the briefing report every morning, that goes out has the list of distance between the 45-day pivots and everything. We got to our bet the house level yesterday, up at 31.76 and change. That's an automatic short for us, which we took, and we were able to catch that interim high before the news. So that was a really nice, 17, 18, 19 handle short. So it's fun with those numbers that I get up in the morning and do every single morning. Just because you never know what day, use it maybe once a year. But when you do, it works out. So it was nice to see that. It was nice to see that play out yesterday. So as far as today, look, we are in a news flow tape. We are in a news flow tape, and you're going to have to watch your back. I will be interested to see how the morning goes. If it's something that doesn't really want to do much without a headline and it's chopping people around this, that, or the other thing, I may take my week and just have it be a week. We'll see. What you don't want to do is run around and trade this thing without stops and, get up from your desk, walk out, come back, and then find yourself in a real pickle. So you got to be vigilant in this tape. Be vigilant. All right. Take care. Trade them well. Great weekend. Talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.